Hi everyone, welcome to Check for Finance. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will show you how to move money between your Binance account and Airtm account. This video is going to be very much helpful to those of you who want to transfer money from their Binance account to Airtm, or those of you who want to fund their Binance account using Airtm by transferring money from Airtm to Binance. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to transfer money from your Binance account to your Airtm account. So you are going to transfer money using Binance P2P. So all what you need to do is to log in into your Binance account and also to log in into your Airtm account. So when you come here, you can see that I've logged in into my Binance account and also my Airtm account. And you can see that the balance on my Airtm account is $0. So we are going to be refilling our Airtm account using Binance peer-to-peer. So all what you need to do is to come to your Binance account and come and see where it's written buy crypto. Then you come and press on P2P trading. That's Binance peer-to-peer. So what is going to happen is that you are going to sell your cryptocurrencies on Binance in exchange with the Airtm USD dollar. So you just need to come over here and come and press on sell. Then you can see on top over here that these are the cryptocurrencies that are available for sale. So let's say if you have got Bitcoin, you just need to come and press on Bitcoin. Then you'll be able to sell your Bitcoin in exchange with the Airtm USD. So for me, I'm going to be selling my USDT. Then you just need to come here under fiat and come and choose the currency. So I'm going to put USD. Then after that, you just need to come under payments and come and choose Airtm as the payment method. So I'll come where it says all payments and press on it. Then you can see Airtm over here. You can just come and press on Airtm. So once you have filtered out Airtm as the only payment method, you are going to come down here and find a list of transactions. So these are people who want to exchange their Airtm USD with USDT. In short, these people are looking forward to buy USDT. So you just need to come down here and find a favorable rate. And you can also check like the limit. How much money do you want to sell? How much USDT do you want to sell? So when you come down, you can see that this one is offering a limit of from $2 to 138. So I want to exchange 20 USDT like with the Airtm USD. So I'll go with this person. I just need to come and press on sell USDT. So immediately after choosing the person you want to perform the transaction with, you are going to be brought here, and here you are able to see the time it's going to take for this transaction to be completed. So this person, to transact with this person, it will take around 30 minutes. So you just need to come over here and where it says I want to sell, you can see that I've got about 20 USDT on my account. So I'm going just to come and press on all. So I'm going to be moving 20 USDT from my Binance account, and I'm going to be receiving 19.68 on my Airtm account. Then under payment method, you just need to come and enter your Airtm email address. So for me, I've already registered my Airtm email address with my Binance account. If you are doing it for the first time, you will need to come and enter your Airtm email address over the payment method. Then after that, you just need to come and press on sell USDT. So when you look here on top, you can see that we have got one active order, meaning that the order has been submitted successfully. All what you need to do is to wait for the other person to send money to your Airtm account. Then after that, all what you're going to do is to confirm in your Binance account that you have received money on your Airtm account. That way, the transaction is going to be completed. You can see over here that the transaction has moved from pending payment to release crypto. So you just need to come down over here and come and press on payment received. But before confirming that you have received the money, you need to go to your payment method, in this case, which is Airtm, to go and see if you have received the money. So if I come to my Airtm account, you can see that my balance has increased. So all what you need to do is to come over here and come and confirm. You'll see that I'm supposed to receive $19.68, and that's the money which I've received on my Airtm account. So I will go ahead and come and press on payment received. Then you need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile phone number. So you just need to come and press on get code. So you just need to come and enter the code here. After entering the confirmation code, you are going to come and see the status of the order that it's saying that it's completed, meaning that the order has been crossed, it's completed, and you have been able to move money from your Binance account to your Airtm account. Now allow me to show you how to transfer money from your Airtm account to your Binance account, just in case if you want to fund your Binance account using Airtm. So all what you need to do is to come to your Binance account, and then you come where it says buy and come and press on peer-to-peer trading. Now in this case, since we are transferring money from Airtm to Binance, we are going to be buying cryptocurrencies on Binance using peer-to-peer. So we are going to maintain the buy over here, and I'll be buying USDT. In this case, I'll be buying using USD, and I just need to come under payment methods and come and choose Airtm as a payment method. Then all what I need to do is to come down here and choose a person I want to perform the transaction with. But usually the transactions on top are going to be the ones with the most favorable rates. So you can just go with the ones on top. So I will come down here, and you can see that this person has got a limit of $15 to 147, and I'm looking forward to move $19 to my Airtm account. So I can go with this person since he has got a lower limit, like that will be able to enable me to transfer money from my account. So I will go with this person and just come and press on buy USDT. Then here you'll be able to see the total time it's going to take performing the transaction with this person. So with this person, it's going to take about 15 minutes. All what I need to do is to come and enter the amount I want to transfer in here. So I'm transferring 19.94. Then after that, I just need to come and press on buy USDT. So you can see that I'll be buying 19.94, and I'm going to be receiving 19.84 USDT. So I can just come ahead and come and press on buy USDT. So you can see that the order has been opened. So all what I need to do is to go to my Airtm account and transfer this amount over here, which is $19.94 to this person's Airtm account. So you can see that I've been provided with the email address of the person I'm performing the transaction with. So all what you need to do is to come and copy this email address over here. You come and copy it. Then after copying the email address, all what you need to do is to go to your Airtm account and transfer the money to this person. So I just need to come to Airtm, and then in Airtm, you just need to come on here where it says send or request. You come and press on it. Then all what you need to do is to enter the email address of the person you are transferring money to. So I'll paste the email address in here. Then after that, I just need to come and enter the amount. In this case, it is $19.94. In the note, you just need to write something, so I can just say thanks. So after confirming that the email address is the same, you just need to come and press on send. Then you just need to come and tick on this one. Then after that, you just need to come and press on send again. So you can see over here that my Airtm balance is $0, meaning I've successfully transferred money from my Airtm balance to my peer over here. So all what you need to do is now to come back to your Binance account and come and press on where it says notify the other person that you have transferred the money. So you just need to come and press on here. Then you come and tick this one, and then you come and press on confirm payment, meaning that you have made the payment on your Airtm account. So I will go ahead and come and press on confirm payment. Then after confirming payment, all what you need to do is to wait for the other person to release the cryptocurrency to your Binance account. You can see over here that the order has been completed and $19.84 has been added to my Binance account, meaning the other person, the peer, has released the cryptocurrencies. So this is how you transfer money between your Binance account and your Airtm account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. For now, bye bye, see you in the next video.